What's up, guys? Jay with Liberty Ring Creations. We're excited today. We're going to make a trip to the store, the box store. We're going to get some material for the shop remodel. It's coming along nicely. It's been about 2 weeks, many sleepless nights, trying to think of the workflow and the layout of the shop, but it's going to be really cool. We can't wait to show you guys the unveil video. But today you can follow us around as we go get some material. Let's go shopping. Let's go get some stuff. Heater, definitely on the plan. I was looking at those, they make like little micro wood stoves. They're like literally like a cubic foot, like 12 by 12 by 12. Go get some stuff. Well, I'm looking for some maple plywood, 3/4, so we can start closing in under the workbench. Not maple, but sanded. Probably it's a little cheaper. That's good, because plywood is through the roof right now, as I'm sure anyone who does any kind of woodworking or construction knows. Yeah, that's like $10 cheaper than the maple stuff. Let's check my list. Make a list, check it twice. See what else we need. Oh yeah, we gotta look at a heater, man. My last heater almost killed me. Shooting flames out and stuff wasn't good. So we got some plywood, yup. We want to look at a heater. I want to look at some tool chests, because I may just, if I can find a tool chest that works, preferably in orange. We'll see if they got anything. I need to look at a router, outlet covers, spray paint. Yeah, we got some stuff to get. That would be cool, right? Like a barn door. That might be kind of cool instead of a hinge, although this is like really heavy duty. I don't think I need wheels that big for a 3/4 sheet of plywood. But that was one idea I had for in front of under the tool chests to hide all the stuff I don't need to look at. So I got to think on that some more, but that might be a good option. Color. See, I think I got the other stuff at the other box store, so I don't know if I'm going to get an exact match, but yep, orange. Need one of them. Working on that for a theme for the shop. Black, orange, gray. Electrical down here. Screwless wall plate. How does that work? Is it just me, or do you feel like a kid in a candy store in this place too? Oh, here we go. Now we're on to something. All right, we'll do, so I need 2 Decora, twin Decora, 2 Dupla. All right, that covers electrical. For today, anyway. It's like baby shark saw. Look how little. It's cute. Now I'm just excited for it to be over, man. It's a week and a half. It's starting to look good, but I kind of want it to be done. I'm gonna get 3. 2X, but I think I might need 3. I think we can get out of here, Brohim. Let's roll. All right, guys, we got some stuff. One day we'll talk about this build I did for my truck. Pretty cool. Drawers for all my stuff, and very convenient that I don't need to crawl in my truck anymore. I got drawers for all kinds of stuff. Notice the black, or the gray and orange rather, yeah. Staying with that theme. So anyway, heater might have been a bust. I got to do more research on that. But we got some stuff. And the sun's coming out, which is good, because I didn't want this plywood to get rained on. So we'll deal with this dude for now. It'll work. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you back at the shop. All right, guys. Well, it was a fun shopping trip at the big box store. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. We got some of what I need to keep going today. Got a lot of stuff to build, some stuff to paint, some electrical to run. All good fun. And I really can't wait to show you guys the inside of the shop and our progress, but not yet. Maybe an episode or 2 away. But thanks for sticking in there, and I promise you the results will be amazing. It's a brilliant transformation, and I can't wait to actually do some work again in the shop other than working on the shop. So again, guys, thanks again. Hit that like button, subscribe, smash that bell so you know when we're releasing future videos, and we'll talk to you as soon as we can. See you on the next episode.